Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Python on your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. First, head over to the official Python website using the Chrome or any other web browser. Navigate to the Download section and click on All Releases. From there, download the latest version of Python by clicking on Download Python. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to open the installer. Select Customize Installation, then click Next. Now, click Install to begin the installation process. After the setup finishes, you're all set to use Python on your PC. To verify the installation, open your Windows search bar, type Command Prompt, and select it. In the Command Prompt window, type Python version and press Enter. Your installed Python version will be displayed. That's it. You've successfully installed Python on your PC. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel for more useful tips, and hit the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching.